How to convert Word file to PDF. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily convert Word file to PDF. So it's a quite simple process. First thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Google Docs. That is the official website of Google Docs.com. So once you search in for docs.google.com, you should be heading over to this website and just make sure you have already logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in. So now let me just quickly open any one of my draft file which I previously opened. So it basically saves your files to cloud storage, your Google Drive. So now, as you can see, this is my Google Docs. So this is a doc file. So if I were to convert this to PDF file, all I have to do is just click on this file button over here and simply click on this download. And once you hover to download, you can see there's option regarding different extension of which you can easily convert this file into. So as this is doc file, I want it to convert it into PDF, so I'll just select PDF and it will automatically convert and download the same file as an PDF from over here, and you can simply open the file to view it just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.